guys, this is a quick video to tell you how to start your digital portfolio and your first project. So we are getting close to beginning our first project. So what you will keep in this for this semester is a digital portfolio. We will begin with what we call Exploration Day 1. Okay, in Exploration Day 1, you're going to pull up your Learning Launcher. For this example, I've pulled up from the Launchpad. I have pulled up the Robotics Learning Launcher for Sphero. And remember, I'm going to start with level 1 and make sure I read the tabs in my Learning Launcher. It's very important for Exploration Day 1. So it's going to tell you your challenge, what you are learning, and the stuff you will need for your project. What I would do is split my screen. So try to have this on one side of you and then have your portfolio on the other so that you can work faster and read faster. So the first slide that you will see in your digital portfolio is your title slide. You're going to change the project title and you're going to put your title. So you would take project title off, and I would say I would put Sphero here. Okay. You're going to put your name or your team members' names if you're working with another person. You're going to put project number. Everybody will start with number 1, and then you'll put the date that you begin the project. Okay. This is for every time that you start a new project. We will keep this document alive, and I will show you how we do that at a later time. The second slide that you would do on day 1 is your SMART objectives. So step 1 is to ask, what am I supposed to be learning? So we get that from our Learning Launcher right here. It'll say what you will learn. So in this Learning Launcher, I'm going to learn basic programming skills and how to troubleshoot programming issues. So I would type those 2 things right here in this box. So whatever your Learning Launcher is, that is where you will find your objectives, is from the Challenge tab. The next thing you're going to do is explore more about your project. You're going to imagine, brainstorm ideas, add evidence of what you've learned. So what I would want to see here on this slide are 3 details or facts about what you learned after reading and studying the Learning Launcher. So on this step, you're going to go back and actually read the what you should know part of the Learning Launcher. All of the bold black detailed words here are vocabulary. What I would really love to see here is also the vocabulary that you'll be using as you work on your project. And last, for Exploration Day 1, you are going to plan your project. So this is real easy, guys. All you got to do is take the Learning Launcher and look at the Challenge tab and go to the stuff you will need. Okay, this part you're going to type here under the plan. So what will you need to be successful with your project? You're going to look at the Learning Launcher on the Challenge tab. You're going to scroll all the way down, and it should tell you the stuff you will need for your project. Okay, so that's what you put here on the plan slide. So those 4 slides are Exploration Day 1. You must finish these 4 slides before you can start your project. I will grade you. So as soon as you finish these 4 slides on our Exploration Day, you will raise your hand. You will call me over. Please be patient because it's just one teacher and a bunch of you guys. And I will come and grade your work and give you either a red light or green light. Red light means no, need to fix some things. Green light means get started on your project. So when you do get started on your project, remember you're in the create, test, and improve stage of the engineering design process. You're going to read the what you should know. You should already have read that, sorry. You're going to be at the do it part. As soon as you're at the create, test, and improve stage, you're at the do it part. And you'll need to make sure that you follow each step of the Learning Launcher so that you can be successful with learning your objectives right here. It's been great. Thanks for listening. Y'all have a great day. Let me stop this wherever my button is.